Hello, welcome back to Sweet Carolina Kiss. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. So today I'm going to be showing you, using all Synergens products, how to get this super amazing and glamorous look. I am just in love with this eyeshadow combo. Using all of our Shadowsense, really it's only 3 colors, super simple, lots of shimmer and sparkle, which I am obsessed with. And then this lip color, oh my gosh y'all, I have not used this lip color in so long. It was just sitting in my drawer, I forgot about it, and I don't know why, because it is gorgeous. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this look, and I will see y'all after. First, I'm starting with 1 pump of color correcting tinted moisturizer in light and 1 pump of our Make Sense foundation in the shade Dewy. I just mix those together on my hand and dot that all over my face. Once I get that evenly spread out, I'm going to take a flat top brush and start to dab that out, blend it out really smoothly. This is the best way that I've found to apply our foundation, is with a flat top brush or with a beauty blender, whichever you prefer. You can totally do it with your fingers, but if you're looking for that more flawless airbrushed finish, then a brush or a beauty blender is the way to go. So just blend that out until it looks nice and smooth. Candlelight Shadowsense is absolutely perfect for canceling out any redness or any veiny eyelids. Also really great for under eye concealer. It's just a perfect, well-rounded product. So I like to use that to prime my eyelids and get rid of that redness. Then I'll be using Mocha Java, just swabbing a dot on my hand, and with like an angled fluffy brush, I'll go ahead and evenly cover that brush with Mocha Java, and with small patting and upward motions with that brush, I'll go ahead and kind of carve out my cheekbones. So a good rule of thumb is to start at the top of your ear and bring that down kind of to the outer corner of your eye. I'll go ahead and do that on both sides of my face, again with just small tapping, really light hand, kind of upward strokes, and then go ahead and bronze out the rest of the face. So forehead, under the chin, sides of the nose, all of that where the sun would naturally hit. And you can get all of that color with just that one little swab of Mocha Java. Love it. Also great for under eye concealer if you have a lighter and cooler complexion is actually Whisper Pink Shadowsense. So I put a tiny little dot and I'm mixing that with our eye illuminator. I actually just made up this combination during this video, but I am obsessed with it, and this is definitely a combo I'm going to start using every day for under eye concealer. It went on so smoothly. Eye illuminator is basically like eye cream for daytime, so it moisturizes and brightens up your under eyes, and that Whisper Pink adds that extra pop. With a really small angled brush and smoked topaz, I'm going to start to fill in my brows. This is also a new discovery for me. In the past, I have tried Mocha Java, I've tried Onyx, I've tried Garnet Shadowsense, but all of them have been just slightly the wrong color for my eyebrows. And I saw someone use smoked topaz, so I decided to give it a shot, and it actually is so perfect. So onto the other brow, using just really small, short strokes to kind of create those natural hairs. Just getting a little bit of product as I need it and filling in those spaces that might be a little bit more sparse. Okay, now the moment y'all have all been waiting for is on to the eyes. So here I'm using Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, and just with the applicator wand, patting that all over my lid and up to my brow bone. With the shimmer colors, I like to use my finger and just dab it and pack it on, as opposed to taking a brush and smearing it out. I just feel like that keeps the shimmer more intact. So then with a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to take Copper Rose Shimmer, get a little bit of that, wipe off the excess on my hand, and with a really light hand, I'm going to start to blend that all over my lid and up into my crease. And y'all, I don't know what was going on with the lighting in this video, so just bear with me. It keeps going in and out, but hopefully you can get the point. So, packing that color all over the lid and blending that out into the crease. This is going to give us a super shimmery look. I'm so excited for you to see the final product. Now with a more concentrated blending brush and Onyx Shadowsense, I'm going to take the tiniest bit and start to drag that up from my lash line kind of out towards the outer portion of my eyebrow, just kind of creating that smoked out wing effect. And a little goes a long way with our Shadowsense, especially the darker colors like Onyx. So definitely start with less than you think you need and kind of build up until you're satisfied with the way it looks. So I'm just going to take a little bit at a time, pack on the color where I want it, and then with that fluffy brush that I used for the Copper Rose Shimmer, I'm just going to blend that out nicely until it looks how I want it. So I think y'all get the point with the blending. Now I'm going to take whatever is left over of that Onyx and start to drag that out on my lower lash line just to continue on with that smoky look. And I'm also going to take a little bit of Copper Rose Shimmer and blend it in with that Onyx on my lower lash line. And to finish off the look, we're going to use some more Sandstone Pearl Shimmer just to highlight that inner corner and underneath the brow bone again. Just dabbing it on with the applicator wand and then again with my finger. So now I want to clean up the outer portion of that, and I'm going to take a little bit of our Foops remover and a cotton pad and just kind of clean up that outer line there so we can go ahead and draw a really sharp wing. And then I don't want it to be 100% a harsh line, so just kind of blend that out, smooth it out a little bit. All right, now on to one of my favorite products. This is our iSense, which is our liquid eyeliner. This stuff lasts all day. It is water resistant, crease proof, smudge proof, budge proof, you name it, y'all. But this is one of our limited edition colors in iSense. This is Starry Sky. So it's a pretty deep midnight black liner, but it's got really bright glitter shimmer in it. It is gorgeous. So with that applicator wand, I'm just dragging that across my upper lash line, and with that wing, what you want to do is from the outer corner of your eye, just draw a line up towards the outer corner of your brow. Then you can go ahead and connect it, make it thicker, however you want to do that. I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, basically the same thing. And now we're going to go ahead and do the lashes. So I don't really like doing my lashes on camera because I feel like you're just looking up my nose the whole time. So what I did was take our Undersense, which is a lash builder, put a few coats of that on and topped it with my mascara. So here what I'm doing is I'm mixing a little bit of our Toasted Rose blush scents with a little bit of our pearlizer. Just kind of mixing that on my hand, and with a big fluffy blush brush, just going to dab a little bit of that product onto the apples of my cheeks and kind of up towards my hairline. Just with a really light hand, dabbing that and blending that out. And you can dab a little bit on the tip of your nose, on the top of your forehead, down your neck, just to add some brightness and some color to the look. Now I'm topping off and sealing everything in with our natural translucid powder. This is super easy and convenient in the little to-go case that it comes in. All right, now I'm going to be using Hazelnut Lip Scents. Y'all, this color is so gorgeous. I haven't used this in forever. I think I kind of forgot about it because it went out of stock for a while. It's back in stock now, and I am totally going to start wearing this more often. So y'all know the drill. 3 thin layers, and we'll top it off with some gloss. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe down below and leave your comments or questions, and I will see y'all next time.